Fresh Chili Kitchen.
Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the Chumpon province with some awesome friends here and fellow YouTubers. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description box. They're both from Thailand and they're both teachers, actually English teachers.
Yes, English teachers.
Anyway, we are at a restaurant of their choice. The name of this place is called Click Salt. Click Salt. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Glua is
You passed.
kitchen, click is chili, and salt is fresh. So it is a fresh chili kitchen.
Yeah.
Anyway, gonna have some awesome meal here. Gonna bring you guys along for it. I've never eaten here. Spent plenty of time in Chumpon. I love Chumpon. Anyway, let's eat.
Hello. This is the traditional pot.
What is this?
Crispy pork, yum crispy pork, yum หมูแผ่น and this is
Yum mu go.
หมูแผ่น
Mu pan.
And this one is the southern style curry, sour curry with the fried eggs and local vegetable and then shrimp. Cha'om, we call it cha'om kai, cha'om.
I want to say I've had this before.
It's for southern Thailand only.
มันจะยิ่ง
Go ahead, try with the rice. Just put it on the rice. This is how I do it. Country style.
อร่อยไหม เผ็ดไหมอร่อย
อร่อยเผ็ดพอดี
เผ็ดพอดี
Let's
เนี่ย
see.
บอกว่าแสดงว่ามันจะไม่ได้กลิ่นอันนี้อยู่แล้วเพราะว่ามันเป็นในเครื่องแกงเลยมันจะอร่อย
And it's the
Wow, look at that.
crispy pork.
Got some veggies.
Crispy pork.
What's the name of this dish?
ผัดอะไร
ป
นะ
ลา
ผัด
ก
เค
ระ
รื่อง
พ
แกง
งผัดเครื่องแกง
sea bass. Stir fry sea bass and curry.
Bakapong,
ปลากระพง
which is
ซีแบส
And we got some fried pork, crispy pork. Bakapong sea bass. Wow, that looks good. This is a fried squid with garlic. Plamuk taught. Gatiam.
เทียม
ชุมพรมันเขาเรียกว่ามันเงียบเร็วอะค่ะประมาณสัก2 ทุ่มครึ่ง3 ทุ่มนี่คือ
I don't know about you guys, but I am full. Are you full?
Yes, very full.
Very.
I think we
More than
killed
full.
it. We killed it. Good job. We didn't order too much food. We'll save that for the rabbits. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye.